Some of you wants to know if Melacare Cream is good as a skin lightener, and why is it that prolonged use of it causes a lot of skin issues. Okay, so this is actually a requested video. Some of you wants me to review this particular cream, Melacare. Okay, so I'll be talking about what Melacare Cream is, benefit of Melacare Cream, how to use Melacare Cream, the right way, the correct way to use Melacare Cream, and the side effects of prolonged use or using it the wrong way. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is CHIKA. I'm a certified esthetician. I talk about skincare in this channel, everything skincare. I do a lot of skincare product reviews. I do a lot of teaching you how to look after your skin. Okay, how to achieve radiant glowing skin, what skincare products to use, and what skincare product not to use. So basically everything regarding skincare is what this channel is about. So if you like what you're watching, hit that subscribe button and subscribe, and also the bell button that keeps you up to date on when I upload new videos. And for my regular viewers, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. So what exactly is Melacare Cream? Okay, Melacare Cream is actually a steroid. It's a steroid cream that is used for skin discoloration treatments. Okay, some of the skin discoloration that is used for hyperpigmentation, the likes of melasma. Melasma is a skin discoloration caused by hormones, so mostly hormonal, for caused by pregnancy or the use of medication. Okay, Melacare Cream is also used in treating dark spots, freckles, and any skin discoloration on your skin. Melacare can help you to reduce the appearance or get rid of it. Now, Melacare Cream has 3 main ingredients in it. Okay, the first one is hydroquinone of about 2%. The second one is tretinoin. Tretinoin contains, I think, about 0.05% in Melacare Cream, and then mometasone furoate, about 0.01%. So these 3 main ingredients are skin lightening ingredients, and that is why they are in Melacare Cream, because Melacare Cream basically is a skin lightener cream. Now, how do you use it in a safe way so it doesn't cause more harm than good on your skin? How do you use it in a safe way so that it will do what is supposed to work on your skin, the skin issues that you're using it for? My advice is you use a prescribed Melacare Cream, because like I mentioned earlier, it is a steroid cream, and steroid creams has minimum duration that you can use it. The reason is because if you overuse it, if you use it in a longer period, the likelihood of the side effects is very, very common for you to develop a lot of side effects, and some of the side effects can be severe. Okay, so use it prescribed. So you go to a medical doctor is supposed to, or a dermatologist is supposed to prescribe Melacare cream for you, and the dermatologist will be able to tell you the duration of time that you should use it, when to use it, and when to stop using it. So for those of you that want to know if Melacare cream can be used as a skin bleaching cream, no, it's not a cosmetic cream. Melacare cream is not for cosmetic purposes. It is a prescribed cream, okay, and it's not for skin bleaching. Definitely not for skin bleaching. Okay, the reason is because, like I mentioned earlier, if you use it in a longer period, the side effects can be very drastic. So it's not to be used as a cosmetic cream. It's not to be used as an over-the-counter cream. You have to use a prescribed one, and if you use a prescribed one, it will definitely do what it's supposed to do. It's gonna do its job well for you. The reason I'm focusing more on not to use Melacare cream for a longer period of time, I keep going back and forth when it comes to that particular area, is because prolonged use of Melacare cream can cause extra facial hair growth. These are the side effects that I'm mentioning right now. It can cause erythema. Okay. Most of the common side effects too can be itching, sensitivity of skin, meaning you can, and whatever skincare product that you put on your skin, you get reactions from it. It can cause redness, skin redness. It can cause a lot of irritation, skin irritation, even acne breakouts as well. Sometimes you'll be surprised when you're using it for a prolonged period of time, your skin will start breaking out because it's steroid cream. So it shouldn't really be used for a very long period of time. It can also cause more skin discoloration for you and burn as well because it's steroid. Okay? Yeah, there are two things to be careful of when you're using Melacare. The first one is you can notice that your skin is getting a little bit too dry while you're using it, because it's steroid, so it can easily cause dryness on your skin. And also for breastfeeding moms, I recommend that you stay away from Melacare cream because it's steroid and it can cause it's a little bit toxic, but it may be toxic for your newborn when you use it on your body, because whatever you put on your body gets absorbed through your bloodstream, so it can cause problems for your baby because it's a steroid cream. Now, I hope I've covered what you want me to cover about this particular cream. If there's any other product that you want me, skincare product that you want me to review, don't forget to leave your comment below in the comment section. Have you used this particular cream? How is it on your skin? Did it cause problem for you, or is it good for you on your skin? Okay, remember, this is not a skin bleaching cream, so I've clarified that particular area for you. Is not a skin bleaching cream. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to click the like button and like this video and help me share it. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.